What a pleasure it is for me to wish happy birthday to ang ating predecessor, PRRD. Happy birthday to you, Mr. President. Ngayon, naintindihan ko na kung bakit kung minsan, nung presidente ko, napapamura ka. Now I know why. Pero huwag niyong inaalala. Lahat ng magandang sinimulaan ninyo, we will continue to work on it. We will continue to make sure that those projects that you started will be successful. And I'm glad that I am able to continue the good work that you started. And so, I don't know kung makapag-relax ka because after a lifetime of work, I don't know if you still know how to take it easy. But if you have the chance, please have a good celebration. Happy birthday, PRRD.